Hello cat people! How are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni and today we are trying Annabelle minerals. Recently, I got a PR box with some goodies from Annabelle Minerals, including their new collection with the pencils, the jumbo pencils for eyes and lips, and I have the green, I have the pink, and also they sent me some of their pigments, their foundation and their blush. So I want to do a makeup kind of devoted to Annabelle Minerals. I want to try everything and I will tell you my honest opinion. It's not gonna be one brand makeup because I don't have everything from them that I can include to a full makeup, but I will try to use everything that they have sent to me. A few things about Annabelle Minerals. First of all, they are a Polish indie brand, vegan and cruelty-free. Of course, you're watching my channel, of course you will see only cruelty-free stuff. The most important thing in my mind, after the fact that they are cruelty-free of course, is that they are extremely environmentally friendly. So at the PR box they had absolutely no plastic. Instead of, bubble wraps and everything, they included these two cylinders. You see one right now because of the other one I have already put my brushes in, so I'm planning to use them. So no waste here. And no waste from the box, everything is super recyclable, and if you see at the packages, no plastic at all, they're perfect, and I love the way that they care about the environment. So without any further delays, let's start with the makeup. The idea for today is to create a kinda simple makeup, not very colorful because I would like to fit the brand. So first step, instead of using eye primer, I'm planning to use their jumbo pencil. This specific one is for lips, but me being me, I will use it on my eyes. I do not recommend to do so, but on the other hand their products are vegan, so I don't think that using Annabelle Minerals pencils is gonna be that bad for your eyes, to be honest. I trust vegan products a lot. So I'm taking this one right here, it's in the shade Cranberry, and I'm starting. Next step is to take a quite fluffy brush, like this one right here. This is from London Copyright, I guess. Yes, and I will blend everything out. Next, I'm taking their other pencil, the green one, which is called Fern Eye, and I will do exactly the same procedure at the outer corner. The truth is that you can leave this eye look as it is right now, but in this channel we are famous for being extra. Not a lot today, but yeah, I'm planning to use their pigments. So I have this one right here, this is in the shade Ruby, and I have another one in the shade Electrum. I'm planning to start with Ruby because in my mind it's lighter and it's more sheer. So I will start by putting it in my inner corner. We will see how it performs and then I will continue with the other one. Okay, a little correction at this point. I didn't start with Ruby, I started with Electrum because Electrum was the sheer one and you can see it here at my inner corners. And now I'm gonna use Electrum, which is a very nice metallic one, and I'm gonna take a small brush but not a tiny one because I want to have control. For the bottom part of my eye, I'm gonna copy exactly the same technique, so I will start by putting the green jumbo eye pencil into my waterline and then I will add the pigments. And here we have the eye makeup. As you can see, I have finished, and now I want you to tell me your opinion about this more natural makeup. Do you like it? I feel it's quite different on me and I feel so different, but I like it because, it's good to have a change every now and then. Now, I'm gonna fix my eyelashes and I'm moving on to the face makeup. I have primed my face. Next step is to apply the foundation from Annabelle Minerals. And here we have Golden Fair Coverage Mineral Foundation. I feel that this might be a little warm for my skin undertone, but I'm gonna try it and I will tell you my opinion. And if it is actually warm, I can fix it with some other products. I want you to see a little bit the packaging, like it's so unique. And I think that you do that. And here you have the holes and the foundation can go out from these holes. And then you can put the lid back and make sure that you don't have any leakages or something like that. We continue with blush, and here I have their Rose Mineral Blush. If you can see, it's a very nice muted pink. I don't know if you can see it clearly now, but you will definitely see it on my face. Let's apply it. Well, this blush is impressive. Like, I didn't expect that pigmentation, that way of performing. I'm very happy with this blush, let me tell you. And I will continue doing other stuff like bronzing my face and highlighting my face. But since I don't have anything from Annabelle Minerals, I'm not gonna mention which products I'm gonna use. But instead, I'm gonna do a quick review about what I have tried until now. First of all, the eyeshadow pigments are amazing. You see how well they have performed on my eyes. I love them. I love the sparkles. They are very good. And I love their philosophy about, you know, respect the environment and having all the nice packagings. Like, love it. If you see, the pigment packaging is made of glass, so even less waste. I don't know what to say, they're very good. Now, when it comes to the jumbo pencils, they are very nice and creamy, and they can be the perfect base for the makeup since they are super blendable. And I'm planning to use them as a base if I'm going for more neutral looks, you know, brown, pink, a little bit bronzy looks. They are great. So all in all, I liked so much what I got from them. I'm planning to buy more stuff from them in the future because I love the whole mentality. I said it again and again, and I will say it more times because it's so important to be able to respect the environment as much as possible. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. Inspired by the whole environmental friendly makeup and all the stuff, all the amazing stuff that I keep talking about today, I would like to tell you the word for environment. So in Greek we say περιβάλλον. Say it with me. Περιβάλλον. Περιβάλλον. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write down at the comments a comment using the word περιβάλλον, or actually tell me the word περιβάλλον in your own native language. Last step for today's makeup is of course to fix my lips, and I'm gonna start by Annabelle's pencil. So let's do it! You know something, I was planning to apply another lipstick on the top of the pencil, but I found this shade, this color as perfect with the whole makeup. It looks so good, so I'm planning to leave it as it is. If you want to see more pictures from this makeup, if you want to zoom in to understand the details, you can always find me on Instagram, which is Catlady Antigoni, down here as always. There I will have a lot of pictures from this makeup so you can admire it. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more content. And that was it for today. I hope that you enjoyed today's more simple makeup. I hope that I actually gave you a more environmentally friendly makeup alternative. I hope that you had a good time with me. Again, thank you so much for being here with me today. See you next time. Until then, bye bye!